I'm pretty sure these are Virginia rails. They have the dark brown plumage, nervously flicking tails with white underparts, and orange lower mandible. They're where you'd expect to see them, on marshy ground next to reeds and grasses. There's even a swamp sparrow, as well as a sorrel rail with its candy corn bill, to confirm it's the right habitat. The Virginias never stray far from reeds because that's where they hide. When threatened, they run into the reeds, and they're fast little buggers. They smoosh their plump bodies flat so they can squeeze through the stiff vegetation. Virginia rails are like the tunes in Who Framed Roger Rabbit, able to be flattened to one dimension and then pop back into 3D again when they walk into the open. But here's what gives me pause about these rails. They're not secretive enough. I stood next to the ditch where they were feeding, camera gear and all, no invisibility cloak, and they just strolled by, showing me their nimble orange feet, every single digit on both of them. That's not typical rail behavior. I'm sure they knew they could outrun me, but that's not the point. Most birders count themselves lucky if they get a glimpse through the reeds of dark brown plumage, a flicking tail, an orange beak. Oh, they say, that must have been a Virginia rail. These birds practically brushed my ankles, and yes, they were Virginia rails. It's too bad that people so rarely get a close look at these orange-eyed, black and white rumped beauties.